Hey guys, what's up? DCW here, and I know it's been a while, but I'm making a pack opening video. They just came out with new packs called Cornucopia packs, and I have 10 on 2 accounts. And let's just check it out. So I have 10 of them, and I'm just gonna start off with 5 Summer Court Pro packs. See what we get. Just, warm things up a little bit on each account. Let's see what we get out of these. We're probably gonna get nothing. Yeah, I'm not gonna get anything out of this. It's okay. Alright, guys. Cornucopia packs. 1 free elite, guys. You get an elite out of these. And John Wall right off the bat. I've seen people pull 96s. 88 Brandon Ingram. Not bad. It's trash. Now, there we go, guys. Blake Griffin, 91 overall. But we want the 96s. I've seen 96 plus. I already made all my coins back. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Let's go. 96 overall. Clay Thompson. Let's go. Oh. 97. Let's go. Let's go. Eric Gordon. Oh my god. These packs are amazing, guys. Go ahead and buy them. Then we get double elite pulls. Let's go. Alright, guys, I'm going to my second account. That was only the first account. And we pulled fire out of that. Complete fire. He pulled 96 and a 97. Just imagine what else I could pull. Oh my god. These packs are actually the best. It's like the fan appreciation packs of Madden, if you know what I'm talking about. And we get a free elite. Or, not free elite. Oh, but we do get an elite. Let's go, 88 Damian Lillard. And then we get Westbrook. Alright. Maybe that's showing a sign. These packs are about to be spiced up. Alright, let's see. Rudy Gay, that's not good. That's trash. Paul Pierce, alright, not bad. Kyle Lowry. Kawhi Leonard. Alright, we need one fire pull on this account. Kevin Durant! Let's go! Let's go, Kevin Durant. Tyler Hansborough. Marc Gasol, let's go. Come on, 99 overall pull. 99. Jay Crowder. Alright, guys, the last one. Oh my. 97 Westbrook. 97. Ooh. I'm still in disbelief right now. Look at these lineups. Oh my god. Alright guys, and